Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can control access for your team members on your workspace on ClickUp really quickly. So let us get started right away. So guys, in the first step, head over to ClickUp and log into your account and select the workspace here in the top left corner. So guys, to assign roles, to give permissions, and to control access of your team members in your ClickUp workspace, what you will need to do is access your account settings. First, to do that, here on your home screen, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu. Now here on the left-hand side, inside your account settings, what you want to do guys first is switch or head over to people here at the top and go through the list of all team members of your workspace here and assign roles here under role. For example, you may be the admin or the owner of the given workspace, and below you will see a list of members. So for example, if I click on the current status of that user here and click on that arrow down icon, I am given the opportunity to change the given users or members role. Like for example, from member to limited member with limited access to items, for example, or assign a guest role, or make or promote the given user to an admin, giving or granting him more permissions and give him access to more items, for example, in my workspace. And you may also create a custom role by clicking on that button here. However, guys, that feature may be limited or restricted, for example, if you don't have access or if you haven't upgraded to a Business Plus account here on ClickUp. So what you want to do, guys, is simply invite new users by clicking on a button here and assign these roles. So that's one option, how you can control access to various activities and items. A second option, guys, would be to simply give permissions for each team member or for each role, like member limited, member guest, admin, and so on and so forth. To do that, head over to security and permissions here on the left hand side and scroll down a bit to go through these various permission categories like invite permissions, custom role permissions, and so on and so forth. So here under invite members, for example, to the right, you may decide which of the member role, like limited member, member, admin, guest, and so on and so forth, may be given the permission to invite new members or to invite guests and limited members by simply switching it on and off. For these reasons, the admin will automatically and unchangeably have the permission to perform both or to grant both permissions. You may switch it off, for example, for normal or for regular members, and so on and so forth. Some of these options or features may be grayed out, guys, for example, for guests or limited members, depending on your membership plan. And you may go through that list below, continue assigning roles and permissions. Here, for example, for custom role permissions for each member, like limited members, guests, admins, for example, to manage users, to manage teams, to edit statuses, to manage tags, send emails, manage custom fields, manage custom roles, create new spaces, delete items. So as you can see, for example, deleting items is a permission. Basically, each member or each role has access to, from guest to admin, and so on and so forth, guys. So simply switch on or off the given permission you would like to enable or disable for the given role. And that's how you do it, guys. You may go even a bit further and give, for example, the permission to export and to import workspaces, to integrate or to add integrations to your workspace, and so on and so forth. Last but not least, go through the advanced permissions. Like for example, you may give your team members the permission to make new spaces private or to add private attachment links, and so on and so forth. However, guys, as you can see, that is a feature that is only available for users with an enterprise subscription or membership plan. So that's how you control access for your workspace on ClickUp, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.